Hello kids, welcome to the class. In today's session we are going to see the activity sheet 3 part. So in the book back exercise we are going to see the singular and plural concept today. So you all know about the singular and plural, isn't it? If it is one thing we have to say as singular. If it is many means we have to say it as plural. In singular, we can say it as van. But in plural, we have to say it as vans by adding yes. Van is singular and vans is plural. Similarly, pen is singular and pens is plural. So you have to add yes in the plural. So there are 3 rules in singular and plural. The rule 1 is we have to add yes. As we see earlier, we have to add yes for some words. For example, bell, we have to add yes and make it as a plural, bells. The second one is cow and we have to add yes and we make it as plural. Now we can see the rule 2. For the words ending in SS, X, SH, CH and O. For these words, the ending sounds, we have to add ES as a plural form. For SS, X, SH, CH and O, we have to add ES as plural form. See here the example, the singular one is match. Here the ending word is CH. So you have to add ES for making it as plural. Match, matches. Okay. So here the ending word is X. Fox. The ending word is X. So you have to add ES to make it as plural form. Foxes. So here the ending word is SH. So you have to see the ending word as well. Okay. So the word is SH. Wish. The plural form is wishes. Here the ending word is class and the plural form is class S. Here the word is potato and the plural form is potatoes. Here the word is as and the ending word is double S. So we have to add ES to make it as plural asses. Okay. So these are the second rule. We can see the third rule. So for the words ending in Y, ending letter Y, we have to add IES. For the first we have to add yes. In the second rule we have to add ES and in the third rule we have to add IES. Okay. The singular one is baby and the plural one is babies. The singular one is family and the plural one is families. Now we are going to see the A and an, that is the articles. So what are these? These are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. So these 5 letters are vowels. If a word begins with a vowel sound means we have to use an before it. Okay. For example, an apple, an eagle. In the letter apple, what is the first sound? A. What is the first sound? A. So we have to use an apple. So the next word is egg. If it is, what is the first sound? A. A. So before egg, we have to write an egg. Likewise, we have to add an before the vowel sound. If a word begin with the consonant sound means we have to use A before it. For example, a mango, a rubber. Likewise, we have to add A before the consonant sound. So now shall we read this sentence? It is good to eat dash apple each day. See the first letter before dash. What is the first word? A. What is the sound? Apple. A. So it is vowel. So we have to write an apple. So if it is vowel means we have to use an before it. It is good to eat an apple each day. Now shall we read the sentence? I found dash coin on the ground. See the word before the dash. What is the word? Coin. So we have to see the first letter, which is begin with the consonant sound. So we have to write A. I found a coin on the ground. Now we are going to see there and there. So if we refer people, we have to say there. If we refer the place, we have to say there. Shall we see the example? So here, dash house is by the park. We have to use there or there. So someone house is by the park. So someone is a person. So we have to use there. Yes. If it is person means we have to use there. Someone houses by the park. So someone means we have to write there. Now shall we see the second sentence? I will not be going dash today. So going to where? Going to a place. So it is referred as a place. So we have to write there. T-H-E-R-E. There. I will not be going there today. Okay. Did you understand the concept? Now for the activity part, you have to write by seeing the picture whether it is singular or plural. If it is many means you have to write plural. If it is single means you have to write singular. Okay. Is there one fruit or many fruit? There is many fruit. So we have to write plural. Is there one ball or many ball? There is only one ball. So we have to write singular. Is there one bird or many birds? Yes, only one bird. So we have to write singular. Likewise, you have to write the whole thing. Okay. Thank you all for listening. Ma'am will meet in the next session.